आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Students, the question is, the magnetic field of the earth can be modeled by that of a point dipole and placed at the center of the earth. The dipole axis makes an angle of 11.3 degrees with the axis of the earth. So at Mumbai, the declination is nearly zero then. So they are saying about the declination. So to have the declination concept, let us say about the Earth's magnetism. So you can say, assuming the Earth to be a magnet, like see, Earth, if you are assuming it as a huge magnet, you know about its geographical direction, right? So this will be the geographical axis where this side you have geographical north and this will be geographical south. So this will be the axis of the Earth. So now in this they are placing a point dipole at the center. So a point dipole, when they are placing at center, they are placing at an angle of like this. They are placing a dipole like this at the center of the earth, and this is making an angle of 11.3 degrees. Okay. So if this you are assuming this as the south direction, this will be the north direction, because always the magnet rests in the south-north direction with respect to the geographical axis. Now let us see what is declination. That is why you are marking this angle as 11.3 degrees. Declination is the angle made between the geographical north axis with the magnetic south direction. So that is why this angle we have marked it as 11.3 degrees. So you are supposed to find the declination. Now the declination between these two arises in two cases. Either you can take the declination in this direction, or the same thing you can write it in one more direction. Like the same thing when you are assuming the earth like this in this position, if you are marking the geographical axis the same way like this. So if this is geographical north and geographical south, you can assume that the bar magnet can rest even here in this direction. See, this axis you can write the bar magnet. So the bar magnet has south and north here. And so that now the declination, the angle between these two becomes 11.3 degrees here. So you can say that in this first case, you can assume that the 11.3 degrees, this is the first case and this is the second case. So 11.3 degrees you can get either towards west direction or towards east direction, right? So you can say that the declination, the angle between the geographical axis and the magnetic axis, is what we call it as declination. So declination can come either at 11.3 degrees west, or it can come at 11.3 degrees east. So this will be the answer. So you have two possibilities of declination. Either the declination comes at west or the declination comes towards east. So you can say it varies between these two factors. So the variation of declination is between 11.3 degrees west to 11.3 degrees east. So this will be the answer of declination.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।